Here's my bedroom. How things look the night before. I did paint. Boy, looks like two different colors right there, but that's just the shadow. And I did paint. The floor is ready to be put in. Carpet has to be moved. Sydney's been sleeping there. Everything is just a conglomeration of mess. The living room is not much better. Various stages. Here's our mess. Still have a lot to do before we put some laminate down. There's all kinds of thin set there. Sydney is being very patient. She got sick though a couple days ago. So did I. We're okay now. It's just stuff. This is where it ends. I put in tile here that matches the laminate. But, I cleaned out the area. I still have to paint this room, but this is not until Tuesday. And I just ran out of room today. So, just want to give an overview of what things look like right now. I've never lived in such a mess. It's just unbelievable. What a mess. That's been my bed for 2 nights. I got 3 more nights sleeping there. That's about it.